Welcome. So what I have is 1 plus sine of y times 1 plus sine of negative y is equal to cosine squared of y. So we're going to want to verify, make sure the left side is equal to the right side. So we look at our sides and we can say, all right, well, here's my most complicated side. Right now, my identities I'm not going to look at, but I want to make sure I apply my operations. Here, I obviously only have one term. Here, I have two binomials multiplied by each other. So my thinking is I'm going to want to simplify the left side by first multiplying them. But before I even get to multiply them, let's look at our identities. Is there any identities that we can use that are going to help us simplify this first? Well, I don't really know what sine of y times sine of negative y is going to represent off the top of my head. But I know that I can use my even and odd trigonometric identities to rewrite the sine of negative y equal to negative sine of y. So I can say 1 plus sine of y times 1 minus sine of y. And then again, that's in your even and odd trigonometric identities that says the sine of your negative y is equal to negative sine of y. All right? So now I can simply multiply these, and it's important when multiplying these is to notice that now these are a difference of two squares, right? So therefore, I just have 1 squared. So 1 squared, and then I have minus sine squared of y. Okay, so it's 1 squared times minus your sine squared of y. And then by using my trigonometric identities, I know that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So if I was going to subtract sine squared on both sides, I'd get 1 minus sine squared equals cosine squared. So therefore, I can rewrite this now as cosine squared of y, which is equal to the right side, which is cosine squared of y. So therefore, it's been verified.